Okay, today we're going to take a look at a nice little St. Paddy's Day Zippo. And what would St. Paddy's Day be without some Lucky Charms and some O'Douls? So let's take a look at this pretty new Zippo. So it says Dabbin Leprechaun design. It's a genuine Zippo made in Bradford, PA. It's the normal box. So this little Dabbing Leprechaun is on a black matte finish. And he was produced in D of 19, which is April. So this is about a year old. Really good stampings on this one. The Dabbing Leprechaun. Pretty good sound. Steel insert, lights up nice. Let's do a drop test on the Leprechaun. So the Leprechaun passes the drop test. And let's see, Zippo makes quite a few Irish or lucky designs. Here's one of my best. Now this design is a double-sided, made in 2017. This is the lighter that was in Indiana Jones in The Last Crusade. He usually goes right here. And I'm going to put the little Leprechaun right next to him. And I would say, yeah, these lucky Zippos deserve a little true cowbell. Maybe a little more cowbell. Knuckle bump.